Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September the 15th on a Monday morning. Seeing a little gap up in the market this day, especially with Tesla off to the races again. Just an incredible 3-day move there in Tesla. Hope you're in it. Let's dive in, take a look at there are some nice setups out there. This is where you got to be careful, guys. We could be getting overextended, could get a sell program at any time. But boy, it's been a lot of opportunity out there. Let's take a look at what we're looking at today. First on the list, I do like Amazon. Amazon just recently hitting let's see, let me pull it up here. There we go. Uh, Recently hitting a multi-month high, then 3 days of pullback right at the 50 period moving average. And you can see 50 period moving average over the last month has been holding up very well. Looking for a bar reversal. Looks like my triggers may have already gone up, but 20, 30, 79 there is the trigger there in Amazon. Looks like it's dancing around that number right now, looking for a reversal and back through the 10 period moving average and maybe back to all time highs eventually. WRD, if you noticed lately, this has been on my list a lot. And the reason is I just love the way this was setting up on the daily for a potential bottoming pattern. Just a beautiful long term wedge in this thing. Well, I'm going to add it to the list today. It was on there Friday, and it is again today. 1011 is the trigger, trading around there right now. You can see that would be basically breaking out of a 6 week high there and possibly taking out the upper end of this wedge and breaking out. But WRD 1011. A little China bottom fish here. I seldom will put bottom fishes in here, but QFIN, if you look at it on the weekly, I'm not going to put it up, but you can see it has pulled back to its trend line on the weekly time frame. I have been nibbling a little bit of this over the last 5 days, looking for a break above 2742 would be the trigger there to add to that QFIN. I mean, this is definitely be careful with this. You got to keep it tight. If it doesn't work, I'm out quickly. So basically, just taking out that low monthly low there. And then the last is A-frame. Loved the way this pulled back to this nice support level. Actually picked up some around 79.80. Picked up a little bit on Friday. This is after earnings. Finally filled that gap and filled that nice little support area there. Looking to add if it takes out that 3-day high. So on A frame, 85.69 would be the trigger there. All right, guys, that's it for today. There's not some others on the list. Please take a look at them and have a good one. Keep it tight. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.